Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are good. So in my previous video, I discussed the integration by using trigonometric identities, and also I did some of the integral problems which are asked in your previous year annual examinations. So today also I am going with the same concept. In this video, I am going to solve some of the important integration problems which are solved by using the trigonometric identities. So let's start the first question. Here the first question is evaluate integration of sine 3x into cos 4x dx. And this question is asked in July 2014. So let's say the given integration problem is I is equals to integration of sine 3x into cos 4x dx. So observe the integrand here, sine 3x into cos 4x. So if suppose sine 3x into cos 3x ittapandra, this can be solved by using the substitution method. But here angles are different. Illi 3x ada, illi another 4x ada. So therefore, here just observe the integrand. The integrand is sine 3x into cos 4x. So ಈ integrand ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ನೆನಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ? One of the trigonometric identities which is studied in your PUC first year class. And also I discussed that trigonometric identities in my previous video. If you want, you may watch that. So now, which is that trigonometric identity? We know that 2 sin A into cos B is equals to what? Sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. Here A is what? 3x and B is what? 4x, but 2 is not in multiplication form. So that's why firstly I am going to take divide by 2 and multiply by 2 the integrand. Then into what? Sin 3x into cos 4x dx. I hope all of you understanding. Now I is equals to 1 by 2 into integration of, see here, 2 sin A cos B equal to what? Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Therefore sin of A plus B means 3x plus 4x plus sin of A minus B means 3x minus 4x. So overall with respect to x. I hope all of you understanding. Now I is equals to 1 by 2 into integration of sin of 3x plus 4x is 7x plus sin of 3x minus 4x is minus x with respect to x. I hope all of you understanding. Now we have one of the trigonometric identities, or we call it as the conditions of negative angles. That is what? Sin of minus theta is equals to minus sin theta. So by using this condition, this above integral I is equals to, see here, I is equals to 1 by 2 into integration of sin 7x as it is. Now sin of minus x equals to minus sin x, therefore plus into minus sin x with respect to x. I hope all of you understanding. Now I can be expressed as 1 by 2 into integration of sin 7x dx minus 1 by 2 into integration of sin x dx. 1 by 2 is multiplied for both the terms. So I is equals to 1 by 2 into, we know that integration of sin 7x is minus cos 7x divided by derivative of 7x is 7 minus 1 by 2 into integration of sin x is minus cos x plus integral constant c. I hope all of you understanding. Now I is equals to plus into minus minus 1 into cos 7x is cos 7x divided by 2 into 7 is 14. Next minus into minus plus cos x divided by 2 plus c is the final answer for this given integration problem. I hope all of you understood. Now let's start the next question. And the next question is, there, evaluate integration of cos 2x plus 2 sin square x divided by cos square x dx. So let's say this given integral problem is I. I is equals to integration of cos 2x plus 2 sin square x divided by cos square x dx. Here observe the integrand. What is in its numerator? Cos 2x plus 2 sin square x. So observe here, we have one of the cos 2x formula. That is what? 1 minus 2 sin square x. Therefore, by using this identity, I can be expressed as integration of, in place of cos 2x, 1 minus 2 sin square x plus 2 sin square x as it is, divided by cos square x with respect to x. So now in this, I can cancel minus 2 sin square x and plus 2 sin square x. So I is equals to integration of, remains 1 in the numerator, divided by what? Cos square x dx. I hope all of you are understanding. Now I is equals to integration of, we know that 1 by cos square x is equals to what? Secant square x dx. And we know that integration of secant square x is tan x plus integral constant c, and this is a final answer for the given integration problem. I hope all of you understood. Now let us consider the next question. And the next question is, evaluate integration of dx divided by sin square x into cos square x. So first let's say this given integration problem is I. I is equals to integration of dx divided by sin square x into cos square x dx. Dx divided by sin square x into cos square x dx. See here, in this integration problem, firstly I can be expressed as I is equals to integration of 1 divided by sin square x into cos square x dx ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Again, we know that one of the basic identity of the trigonometric ratio, that is what? Sin square x plus cos square x is equals to 1. Sin square x plus cos square x is equals to 1. So by using this basic identity, given integration problem, I can be expressed as I is equals to integration of, in place of 1, we can write sin square x plus cos square x divided by sin square x into cos square x with respect to x. I hope all of you are understanding. Now see here, I can be expressed as integration of sin square x divided by sin square x into cos square x dx plus integration of cos square x divided by sin square x into cos square x dx into cos square x dx into cos square x dx. So I just separate the numerator. Now in the first integral, I can cancel sin square x and sin square x. Therefore I is equals to integration of 1 by cos square x dx, 1 by cos square x dx, plus in second integral also I can cancel cos square x and cos square x. Remains integration of 1 divided by sin square x dx, sin square x dx. Therefore I is equals to integration of, we know that 1 by cos square x is secant square x dx plus integration of 1 by sin square x means integration of cosecant square x dx. And we know that integration of secant square x is tan x plus integration of cosecant square x is minus cot x plus integral constant c. Therefore, final answer is I is equals to tan x plus into minus minus cot x plus c is the answer. I hope all of you understood. Now let's start the next question. And the next question is, evaluate integration of 1 divided by sin x into cos square x dx. And this question is asked in the year. This question asked in the year March 2017. Important question, nodri. So to evaluate this, let's say this is equals to what? I. What is I? Integration of 1 divided by sin x into cos cube x dx. Again, same thing as we use the technique in the previous question. Same thing, 1 replaced by what? Sin square x plus cos square x. Sin square x plus cos square x divided by sin x into cos cube x dx. And then separate the numerator. Integration of sin square x divided by sin x into cos cube x dx plus integration of what? Cos square x divides sin x into cos cube x dx. Now in the first integral, I can cancel sin x and sin x from numerator and denominator. So I is equals to integration of 1 sin x is cancelled in the numerator. So remains 1 sin x divided by cos cube x with respect to x plus integration of here also 1 cos square x from numerator and one of the cos square x from the denominator get cancelled. So entire cos square x is cancelled in the numerator, remains what? 1 divided by sin x into cos square x is cancelled here, it remains what? Cos x with respect to x. I hope all of you understood. I is equals to integration of sin x divided by cos cube x can be written as cos square x into cos x dx. Workable plus integration of again same thing 1 divided by sin x into cos x by using the same identity, that is what? Sin square x plus sin square x plus cos square x divided by sin x into cos x, sin x into cos x with respect to x. I hope all of you understanding. Now see here, in the next step, I can be expressed as I is equals to integration of sin x by cos x is tan x and 1 by cos square x is secant square x. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇದನ್ನ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ sin x by cos x is tan x into 1 by cos square x is secant square x with respect to x. In the next integral, again same thing, separate sin square x divided by sin square x divided by sin x into cos x with respect to x plus integration of cos square x divided by cos square x divided by sin x into cos x with respect to x. I hope all of you understanding. So therefore, I is equals to integration of tan x into secant square x dx plus integration of here 1 sin x from numerator and denominator get cancelled, remaining what? Remaining sin x divided by cos x dx plus integration of here also 1 cos x from numerator and denominator get cancelled, remaining cos x divided by sin x with respect to x. I hope all of you understanding. So I is equals to integration of tan x into secant square x dx plus integration of sin x by cos x is tan x dx plus integration of cos x by sin x is cot x dx. I hope all of you understanding. Now, in the first integral, observe the integrand. There is a function and its derivative, because derivative of tan x is secant square x. Therefore, first integral can be solved by using the substitution method. So let's say this is what I1. This is what I1. Let's say this is what I1. So I1 can be solved by using which method? Substitution method. Let's say this integral is what I1. So firstly I am going to solve this I1, where what is I1 here? I1 is integration of tan x into secant square x dx. Here I am going to substitute what? Tan x equals to t. T is a function of x. Therefore differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of tan x is secant square x dx is equals to dt ಇರುತ್ತೆ. dx ನ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇಂದ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡು secant square x dx is equals to what? dt. Therefore I1 is equals to, see here, I1 is equals to integration of, we considered tan x is t, we considered tan x is t, therefore in place of tan x t, and we obtained secant square x dx is equals to dt, which is equals to, we know that integration of t power 1 dt is equals to what? T square divided by 2 plus c. I hope all of you understanding. And which is equals to, what is t? T is tan x. Therefore tan square x divided by 2 plus c is the answer for the first integral in this I. I hope all of you understanding. In this I, what is I1? ತೆಗಿತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ for place purpose. What is the answer for I1? Tan square x divided by 2 plus c. So I is equals to, I is equals to integration of tan x into secant square x is what? Tan square x divided by 2 plus integration of tan x. We know that log of secant x plus integration of cot x log of sin x plus integral constant c. I hope all of you understood. Now see here, again here I am going to use one of the property of log. What is that? I is equals to tan square x divided by 2 plus log m plus log n, can be written as log m into n. So log of secant x into sin x plus c. I hope all of you understanding. Now I is equals to, I is equals to, see here, I is equals to, I is equals to tan square x divided by 2 plus log of secant x, can be written as 1 divided by cos x into sin x plus c. I hope all of you understanding. Now I is equals to, final answer for this given integration problem, I equals to tan square x divided by 2 plus log of sin x divided by cos x is tan x plus integral constant c. I hope all of you understood. Now let us consider one more example, and the question is, evaluate integration of sin square x minus cos square x divided by sin square x into cos square x dx. So again this is also a similar question. To integrate this, let's say this is equals to I. What is I? Integration of sin square x minus cos square x divided by sin square x into cos square x dx. So in the next step I am going to separate the numerator. So I can be expressed as integration of sin square x divided by sin square x into cos square x dx minus integration of cos square x divides sin square x into cos square x dx. So in the first integral, I can cancel sin square x, and in second integral, I can cancel cos square x. Therefore, I is equals to integration of 1 divided by cos square x dx minus integration of 1 divided by, after cancelled remains in the denominator is sin square x. So 1 by sin square x dx. So now see here, in the next step, I can be expressed as integration of 1 by cos square x is secant square x with respect to x minus integration of 1 by sin square x is cosecant square x dx. I hope all of you understanding. Therefore, I is equals to integration of secant square x is tan x minus integration of cosecant square x is minus cot x plus integral constant c. So therefore, final answer is I is equals to tan x minus into minus plus cot x plus c is the answer. I hope all of you understood. So now let us consider the next and last question. What is the next question here? Evaluate integration of sin cube x plus cos cube x divided by sin square x into cos square x dx. So this question is also similar to previous one. So let's say the given integration problem is I. That is what? Sin cube x plus cos cube x divides sin square x into cos square x dx. So in next step I am going to separate the numerator. Sin cube x divided by sin square x into cos square x dx plus integration of cos cube x divides sin square x into cos square x dx. I hope all of you understanding. Now see here, in the first integral, I can cancel sin square x from numerator and denominator. So remains in the numerator is sin x divided by what? Cos square x with respect to x plus integration of, here also I can cancel cos square x from numerator and denominator, remains in numerator cos x divided by in denominator sin square x with respect to x. Now how can we integrate these two integrals? See here, I is equals to integration of sin x divided by cos square x can written as cos x into cos x with respect to x plus integration of cos x divided by sin square x can be written as sin x into sin x with respect to x. I hope all of you understanding. Now see here, in the next step, I can be expressed as, in the next step, I can be expressed as I equal to integration of, see here 1 divided by cos x is secant x into sin x divided by cos x is tan x with respect to x plus integration of 1 divided by sin x is cosecant x into cos x by sin x is cot x dx. I hope all of you understanding. Therefore, I is equals to integration of secant x into tan x is secant x plus integration of cosecant x into cot x is minus cot x plus integral constant c. I hope all of you understanding. Therefore, final answer is secant x plus into minus minus cot x plus c is the answer. I hope all of you understood the today's class.